Greetings from Somers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the 32-foot Saxdor GTO with twin 300 Mercury Verado outboards. It's a 2026 boat, and we're at the helm. You have twin SIMRAD displays, joystick piloting, inductive phone charging, VHF, and all your navigation controls. At the helm, you have a nice seating where your bolsters, they can go up or down for your visibility when you're running the boat. Speaking of running the boat, let's go back here. We have seating that faces forward, so when you are running the boat, you have additional seating here and everybody's facing forward nice and comfortable. But if you want to bring the bolster up for better visibility again, you can do that. And once again, you're still facing forward. We're not done. We have additional seating back here. 3 more people can fit very comfortably, facing forward. And just like that, we've gotten to our destination. And now we're in picnic mode. So that same seating that while I was facing forward, now I have a table where I'm nice and comfortable. And that seat here, now it's like a picnic table. We're at our destination. These sides can fold down. We're anchored up. Everybody's nice and comfortable. You have a cup holder here in all your armrests. And it's really just a great area to picnic. Speaking of picnicking, if you want to cook, this will slide forward and you have a Kenyan grill, a sink, and a cutting board. Again, additional cup holders. We love our cup holders on these boats. This section here, this table, has the ability to go down, and then this can come back into a lounger. It's really sharp. These backrests here will fold up, and this has the ability, I'm going to do it with the help of my camera assistant. We're going to lift this up. Look at that trunk space area. Incredible. Really nice. And here you are, you have your flexi teak all around the boat. Again, your 300 Verado outboards with joystick piloting. Now let's take a walk to the bow. Here we are up at the bow. Nice lounge area. Once again, additional cup holders. And we have a nice easy step. You can step right on up. If you were stepping off the dock or going to another vessel, it's right there. You have your windlass below. It's just a really nice place to hang out and catch some sun. Just like that, we're down below in the cabin area. You have a nice area to lay down. You have windows, hatches under here. That seating up above can all be, those cushions can be moved, and you have window area up there. You have a nice little head compartment with a window in there, and this door can close you off so you have some privacy. All your electronic, your breaker panels in here. Just a nice little area to get out of the weather, and if you wanted to spend the night on the boat, you can do so. Folks, now you see the boat covered. So when you leave for the day, it's all covered up. Everything's covered. The seats are well protected. It's really nice. We went up to the bow and we put the cushions underneath. It's all stowed away nice. There is a lot to this boat. And the video won't do it justice. You really need to come and see us down here in Somers Point and take a look at this boat. There's a lot to go over. There's a lot of features I'm sure that I didn't get to, but I'll be glad to show them to you in person. Again, Jim Ferg from MarineMax, Somers Point. Stop in and see us.